Hey y'all, let's cut some grass. I've been trying to make this video for a while, baby, so give me a little bit of time here. All right. Camera troubles, weather troubles. So the weather's not too good out there now. Let me try this again. In the upcoming video, you're going to see this thing cutting grass, which I did that a little while ago before I think the rain's going to it, and it works very well. It works good. Another thing I want to let y'all know, I can stop this thing on a dime. There's no dogs that can get up under the deck. So the babies, my babies, were quite okay in the video, which you're going to see. There was no danger to them whatsoever. Even the thought of maybe getting them in the chain was not even a concern because I can stop it immediately. So the dogs were in no danger. And that's all we're gonna say about that. So everything on it works good. It cuts grass good. I had to cut the speed of it down, which is probably capable of 10 miles an hour, which is way too fast. I could probably come up on the speed of the steering a little bit, but right now it feels pretty comfortable. The problem I have, which is when you ESC the steering, it's not going to go back to center when you let go of the wheel. So that's really the only thing. I mean, it's just a learned skill, and you take your time which I've been practicing this for a few days now, trying to film and not having much luck doing it. But really, the motor doesn't heat up or nothing. It runs very well. It cuts grass really well, and this is what I'll be cutting grass with. Not every time, because I still want to bag the yard to kind of vacuum it, pick up leaves and stuff with the other one. But this was my go-to lawnmower right here. So another thing too, when you mount your motor, you have to make applications to tighten your chain periodically, because when the chain's new like that, it'll stretch until it gets to a point where it stretches out. So you'll have to tighten it, you know, 2 or 3 times. Just have enough slack in there, which you don't need much, maybe about 3/4 of an inch to a 1/2 inch. Now, the videos I put out are for entertainment only. Now, here's a materialistic weasel in me. I'm not liable for anything you do. A remote control lawnmower is probably, I don't know, at best if you lose control. But the cool thing about it is with ESCs, whenever they lose signal, they shut off. And I'm going to show you here. Let me back this thing up. Now, you're going to see me cut the power off of this. And that's it. Once you lose signal, it just shuts off. And that's a good thing about ESCs. So, and they work real well. They don't heat up. The motor doesn't heat up. The batteries will last an entire cutting. And if you look at the 2 ports on the side right here, this is charging port for battery 1 and for battery 2. So you have to charge them separately because I don't have a 24-volt charger. So you just basically run 2 wires to that one, 2 wires to that one, plug the charger and it charges it, you're good to go. So that's it in a nutshell. And like I said, if you lose signal or it runs out, it's just going to shut off. So, but I'm not responsible for anything you do. This is for entertainment only. And guys, hit like and subscribe. Please leave a comment. I thank you subscribers 100%. You guys rock. And all you people that watch and comment, please do. Doug and his daughter Cam were over here the other day, and I was working on her 4-wheeler, and she's got a channel called Cam's Addiction. Go over there and give her a shout. And she was wanting me to post a video on this because she hasn't seen it run. And I have been trying, and I have been trying, and I have been trying. And from camera troubles to weather troubles, this thing worked flawless every time. So it is what it is. And we're putting this one to bed. It's over and done with. The only thing I would like to servo control the steering. And I gave you an idea how bad it was. The battery just went dead on my camera. So to wrap this up, we're putting this one to bed. We're done with it. It works. It does good. Like I said, go over to Cam's Addiction. Give her a holler. Everything works good. Hit like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Thank you very much. You subscribers rock. I appreciate the people that watch. Send me comments. Y'all have a good day.